Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to solve the network problems on any Vivo phone. Now, first of all, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly on your smartphone. Now, to do that, just use the SIM card ejector tool which comes with the smartphone in the box. Or you can use any SIM card ejector tool available. Now the next step is to insert the SIM ejector tool in the SIM tray hole at the bottom of your smartphone. Now from here, just take out the SIM tray from your smartphone and check if the SIM card is inserted properly in the SIM tray. And also check if there are any scratches on the SIM card. Now once you have done that, just insert the SIM tray back into the smartphone. Now once you have done that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on SIM card and mobile network. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on the name of your SIM card. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on preferred network type. Now from here, if the preferred network type is on 3G or 2G, just select 4G. Now once you have done that, just scroll down and make sure you enable VoLTE. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on System Management. Now from here, just tap on Reset Options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network and Bluetooth. Now from here, just tap on Reset Settings and tap on Reset Settings one more time. Now once you do that, it will reset all the network settings on your smartphone. Now from here, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now from here, just tap on restart. Now once you do that, your smartphone will reboot and it will solve the network problems on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has completed rebooting. And this is how you can solve the network problems on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.